혹시 다른 단어 찬스 가능합니까?
Parang hirap naman to i-guess. Pwede ba palitan yung word, yung word?
Show mo to, of course! Of course!
다른 단어 혹시 조금 덜 어려운 거.
Pwede palitan ng hindi masyadong mahirap?
Ah, hirapan natin! It's up to you, it's up to you. Do what your heart tells you.
네, 그럼 이걸로 하겠습니다.
Now, ito na lang yung drawing ko.
Ito na lang. Alright. Go! Stripe the blue.
My liberation, no.
Oh, it's not. Sorry, that's not the word. Oh, is it? My liberation no?
Little more?
No, it's not. Ah, okay. She is gonna keep on drawing, pero it's not the correct answer. Sorry. Alright.
Yes.
Go. Anytime, pag nahulaan nyo, taas lang kayo ng kamay. Go. Keep on drawing. Medyo mahirap din to, actually.
Yes.
Matawag ka na din, mali. Si ate nakapula, sa harapan.
Queen of Tears, Will of Destiny.
Is it?
Oh? Galing naman ito.
No! Oy, ayun, ang sa gitna, ano doon? Yung katabi na may parang yellow na kineme. Ikaw, taas ang kamay. Yes. Ay,
Queen of Tears, Diary!
naka-earphone kami, naka-in-ear kami ah. Queen of Tears Diary, is it correct?
맞습니다.
Yes, tama.
Correct! Yes! Uy, paano mo nahulaan yun? Pero congratulations! You have won the Queen of Tears merchandise. Baka diary din ang mapanalunan nito. Walang baka naman natin guys sa mga nanalo. And of course, let's give a big hand to Chiwon. Yes. Did you have fun?
아니 어떻게 이렇게 다 잘 맞추시는지 진짜 너무 신기했어요.
Well, I was really surprised. Nahulaan niyo talaga na napakagaling ninyong lahat.
No, yes. Hindi, may nakamali din naman. May mali din naman. So, it's a balance. But congratulations. Especially the diary was so hard. Very, very hard. So,
Yeah, you did ang galing ninyong lahat still.
yes. And please enjoy your official merchandise later. Now, would you like to have more games?
Yes!
Mahina, wag na lang. Uwi na tayo. Would you like to have more games?
Yes!
Yeah, there you go. So, now let's see what our next game is. For our second game, it's... Guess the drama OST title.
Oh!
Parang mahulaan nyo kaya ito. So basically, we will be playing just a few seconds of the song. And what you have to guess, dalawa. You have to guess the drama and the character